Carlton, can you tell us how all this setup came about?
I was appointed by Cardinal Ivan Dias, Archbishop of Bombay, to this place in the year 1998. Started visiting the tribal hamlets, the tribal villages, and there I realized that there were so many children from the age of 5 to 15 just not going to school, and therefore I was wondering why they are not going to school. And therefore we thought of starting something for these children, and we began there with 8 children. Later on, as days went on, systematically they started sitting for study, they're going to school, and in this 5 years from then, today, from those 8 children, today we have 103 children.
Children, did the parents willingly ask you to take them, and what is their participation here?
Initially, in the beginning, the children themselves were not fond of studying or coming to the boarding, nor were the parents interested.
Why not?
Because they had not yet found the importance of education. After a year, when these children went back to the villages, the people started seeing the change in these children, and they found, oh, these children are something different now. Then the children also started teaching the children who were there in the wadi. So seeing all this, the people definitely seen the change, and more people started coming. But then I was worried because financially we were not sound. And it was the timely help given by the ADA.
Yeah.
ADA is the one and only one who has brought up this boarding. And those first 2 years, it was the Friends of Raigad with Eunice Coutinho leading that team, along with Father Fred Sopenya, who helped for the boarding. And then from 2000 onwards, 2001, ADA started helping, and because of ADA's help, I could go on expanding this boarding.
Captain, how do you manage to, well, the children, I have seen them taking tea in the morning, that means consumption of milk. It must be very expensive.
Yes, the milk was really expensive. Every month we had to pay around 4,000 rupees for milk. So we decided to buy cows and 2 buffaloes, and then we got plenty of milk, and therefore we utilize whatever milk is required, and apart from that we sell every day around 30 liters of milk. And now the whole idea of keeping these cows and buffaloes was a lot of plantation which is there. We need manure, so the cow dung is also used as a manure. With this cow dung, we are going to put a gobar gas plant. The fuel for cooking children's food will be from that gobar gas plant. The whole purpose of cows and buffaloes and the goats is to teach these children that they can also earn by doing similar things. Not necessary that they have to abandon the village and go to Bombay and earn there. They can do something here. And another dream for next year is that along with this, we are also going to start what is vocational training center. In this center, we are going to start basically with 3 courses. One is fabrication, one is electrician, and one is carpentry.